Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this we're going to talk about the video toolbox features in the Xiaomi 11i device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a video tips and tricks and explaining all the features. So about the video toolbox especially. As you can see, that's what I'm going to concentrate in this video. So this video toolbox is pretty a useful feature while you're watching videos in any other third-party applications as well. So first you need to enable the certain applications to give the permission. So in my scenario, I did use the YouTube and MX Player and the Prime videos as well. And let me to open the YouTube application right now, so you'll be able to see exactly what's going on with the YouTube. Right now, when I'm in the YouTube section, you'll be able to see this sidebar. So here we do have this kind of video toolbox. So in this video toolbox, there are a couple of things to note down. So first thing is that you can actually open any kind of application in the floating window. Apart from that, we do have this Dolby Atmos option where you can actually increase slightly kind of boosting methods for the audio quality. And not only that, even there is a filters as well. This is what I did like in this video toolbox, where you can choose different filters while watching videos. So this is a complete black and white video. As you can clearly see, it's black and white. Right now I'm trying to watch the videos in black and white. In case if you want to watch in black and white, you can actually do that. So mostly I try to prefer to use the cinematic mode. That will give the really good experience. So apart from that, next option, record, screenshot, casting and play video sound when the screen is off as well. So you can actually play that. So I'll try to show you exactly. I'll try to click enable. Right now the screen is off. Let me start playing one of my video. So I'll try to show you exactly. So right now, as you can see, I'm trying to play the one of my audio. Let me to lock the screen.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel.
As you can see, the YouTube audio is coming.
I'm going to talk about the Patagon's mobile cam default 90 FPS.
So now it doesn't come. So you need to select that option before you actually do it.
The recent update of 1.8.0. Yes, friends, just yesterday only I did.
As you can clearly see, friends, this is how you can actually manage this kind of video toolbox tips and tricks. As you can see, it doesn't matter what application you open. For example, let's open the Prime videos. So it's a Prime video. The Prime video we do have the special options. Let me just show you. Same filters and Dolby Atmos audio. You do have all these aspects. You can actually use it. Let me to play one of my video and one of the video. Even with the screen off also, I think they should work, but let's see whether it's working or not with the screen off. No, it's not working. So maybe YouTube and certain applications can only work, I guess, with the screen off gestures. So this is a few things, friends, which you should definitely know about video toolbox in the Xiaomi 11i device. And we do have this kind of pop-up option, floating option. You can actually open the different applications as well, as you can see. So which is also another cool thing. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. This quick details and quick summary about the video toolbox in the Xiaomi 11i device and 11i iPad charge as well. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. And there is no option for the MEMC feature and the smooth animation feature, nothing like that. In the Mi 11X device, there is an option, but not in the Xiaomi 11i. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates and bye.